Hello everyone and welcome to my entry for the NYX Face Awards Wonderland After Dark theme. I was majorly inspired by one of my favourite video games, American Mickey's Alice, for this look, so I recreated the Cheshire cat with the ante upped a little bit with a couple extra mouth and eyes. So let's get to it. The creative process of making the head was a bit of a jumble, so I'll show a couple quick snapshots of how I did it. If you want more detail, let me know and I can make a more detailed Instagram TV video.
So distant when you're home, always hanging by your phone. Do I even know you?
Now we have the head, let's get to the paint. First, I get to have fun since my mouth might be visible inside the cat mouth. I get to cover it in the same colours it was filled in with NYX Liquid Suede in Kitten Heels and Soft Metallic Lip Cream in Monte Carlo. Now if my lip is seen, it's the same colour. Next, I take the jumbo pencil in Milk to start adding some bone outlines. The cat in American Mickey's Alice is very gaunt, which I am trying to achieve with the bones. Then I take some Stone Fox Liquid Suede and blend it on the deeper areas. Where I want a lighter grey, I lay down some Milk jumbo pencil first and blend the suede on top. And if I still need it lighter, I just use more of the Milk pencil. Then to outline the design, I use the super fat eye marker and deepen some shadows. I will eventually use it to fully get rid of the rest of my neck. I use the black and grey in the Avant Pop Surreal My Heart palette to shade and deepen the edges even more. Now I fill the gaps between the ribs with the jumbo Milk pencil because we're going to have some mouths here too. Then I take the Liquid Suede in Kitten Heels again and fill in the gums. Then I take the super fat eye marker and outline the teeth and fill in the mouth with black. To fit the massive head, I add some big shoulders and collarbones. These were mostly a masking tape and tissue buildup, which I then sealed with more tissue and latex. I then paint these with a grey face paint, lighter in the higher parts and deeper grey in the sections that I want to look sunken in. I make the skin between the collarbones and shoulders a little piecey, as if it's really stretched. With that same black, I add the tattoo designs that the Cheshire cat seems to have.
You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you.
And I put on my face and I am done for the Cheshire cat paint. I didn't film when I was crawling through the frame, but to do that I mostly used alfoil. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you'll be able to vote for me in this round of the Face Awards, and I hope you enjoyed my look. Go check out the other top 6 and I will see you next time. Stay classy, peeps.